Okay, so this problem is a bit of a trick question. Your first instinct, as was my first instinct, might just be that we notice that it's the same distance there and back, and we have 40 meters per second, we have 60 meters per second. And so it's very tempting to just say, well, we just average the two. We take 40 plus 60 over 2. However, this is not how this works, because remember, we're taking the average with respect to time, and because we're moving faster across the same distance, our return trip is going to take less time, and so this 60 meters per second is going to mean less than this 40 meters per second, because this is taking up more of the trip. Okay, so let's look at how to actually calculate it. We know that our average velocity, our average, or I'll say our average speed, let's put S average is equal to our total x. So this isn't really our delta x, it's our total x traveled. Our delta x would be 0 because we're going there and back. We end up at the same point. But our total x is going to be there and back. So let's call this distance L, and let's call this 2L. It's a total of 2L. It's L one way, L the other way. It's total x over total t, the total time taken. Okay, so our total x, again, is 2L. We go L one way, L back. And we're going to calculate our total t. Okay, let's do that in terms of L. So, on the way there, we're traveling at 40 meters per second, and we have a total of L meters we need to cover. So, remember that to find the time needed, it's just the distance in x over the velocity. And so, it's just L over v, which is equal to L over 40. Because we're 40 meters per second. On the way back, it's going to be L over 60, right? Because we're going at 60 meters per second. And so again, notice this is less time. This is a smaller number, right? And if we add these to get our total time, we have L over 40 plus L over 60. Well, you can do the math yourself. It works out to be L over 24. This is just adding fractions. And so this is our total time taken, right? And so we have 2L over L over 24. Remember, when you have a fraction and a fraction, this denominator gets multiplied up. And so we have 48 times L over L, which is 48 meters per second, is our average speed for this whole trip.